Hello everybody. Today's video is about the differences between DNA and RNA. Now when you look at these models that I have for you, you may first ask yourself, okay, which one is the DNA and which one is the RNA? Well, we've already studied DNA quite a bit, and one of the things that you've learned is that DNA is double-stranded, often called the double-stranded helix or a double helix. It is made of some key components that make up the nucleotide of DNA. We have a deoxyribose sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogen base. The nitrogen bases come in 4 different types. We have thymine, cytosine, guanine, and adenine. So this molecule here is DNA. This, therefore, must be RNA. What makes RNA different? This is RNA. Well, the first thing you might notice is that the sugar is different. So in DNA, this sugar right here that's colored orange is where DNA gets its name. It's called deoxyribose sugar. Deoxyribose is the name of that sugar. RNA has a different sugar. It's colored in yellow here, and that sugar is called ribose for RNA. Deoxyribose nucleic acid, ribose nucleic acid. So that's difference number 1. They have a different sugar. They both have phosphate groups. See, here's one in RNA and here's a phosphate group in DNA. And they both have nitrogen bases. Oh, but there is a difference in the nitrogen bases. In DNA, we have adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine, where in RNA, we still have adenine, guanine, and cytosine, but we have a new nitrogen base that we've not seen before called uracil. So the nitrogen bases are different in DNA and RNA. So we have adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine in DNA, and we have adenine, uracil, cytosine, and guanine in RNA. Okay. The last major difference between this is length. DNA, and I only have a little piece of it shown here. If this was your body, this would be 6 billion base pairs long. So this would be extremely, extremely long. The RNA is always going to be shorter than the DNA because the RNA is only being made for a gene. A gene is a segment of DNA. So DNA is going to be longer, but RNA is going to be much shorter because it is a copy of a gene. Because it is a copy of a gene. So it is going to be a much shorter molecule as a result. So those are the 4 main differences between DNA and RNA. DNA has a different sugar. It's double-stranded. It has these 4 nitrogen bases, and it's going to be much longer. It represents your entire genome. All your chromosomes together are made up of DNA. When your body is ready to make a protein, one of the first things it's going to do is to make the molecule RNA. It has a different sugar. It is single-stranded. It has different nitrogen bases, with uracil replacing thymine. And it's going to be much shorter because it is a copy of only a gene. It's not a copy of the entire DNA sequence.